Hi, this is Atay Rabbi and you are watching AirTube. Today we will talk about types of reactions. Usually there are no particular number of reaction types. Reactions are classified and named to give us useful information about them. In this video we will discuss some common reaction types like combination or synthesis reaction. A synthesis reaction is a reaction in which simple compounds or elements are combined to make a more complex product. The general form for a synthesis reaction is A plus B produce C. One specific example of this sort of reaction is when sodium and chlorine gas combine to make sodium chloride. So two simple elements are producing a complex product. Decomposition or analysis reaction. A decomposition reaction is one where a molecule breaks apart into simpler ones. The general form for a decomposition reaction is A breaks into B and C. For example, hydrogen peroxide breaks apart to form oxygen gas and water. So one compound here is breaking into one simpler compound and one element. Combustion reaction. A combustion reaction is happening when a substance burns. Combustion reactions takes place when a compound containing carbon and hydrogen reacts with oxygen to make water vapor, carbon dioxide, and heat. The general form of a combustion reaction is a hydrocarbon reacts with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. One example of this sort of reaction is when cyclohexane, which is present in crude oil, burn. Another example is burning of naphthalene. In all these reactions, a hydrocarbon is reacting with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water, and heat. Single displacement or substitution reaction. Single displacement reaction occurs when a pure element switches places with an element in a chemical compound. Essentially, two atoms switch places where one of the atom isn't stuck to anything. So it's a free element now. The general form of this reaction is A plus BC will produce AB and C, where C is being substituted and free after reaction. For example, if you put magnesium into hydrochloric acid, the magnesium will replace hydrogen from hydrochloric acid and produce magnesium chloride. Remember, in a single displacement reaction, only one element is replaced. Metathesis or double displacement reaction. This type of reaction occurs when the cations of two chemical compounds switch places. The general form for this reaction is AB plus CD react to produce CB plus AD. Ca and C switch each other. When aqueous solutions of potassium iodide and lead nitrate are mixed, the following reaction occurs. Here potassium replaced lead in lead nitrate, and at the same time lead replaced potassium from potassium iodide. Another example is adding hydrochloric acid to silver nitrate. Same thing happens here. Hydrogen and silver replace each other. Acid-base reaction or neutralization reaction. If you combine an acid with a base, you will get water and salt. The general reaction is an acid Ha and a base BOH will produce a salt Ba and water. An example is when nitric acid is neutralized with sodium hydroxide. Acid-alkali neutralization reactions involve the reaction between hydrogen ions from the acid and hydroxide ions from the alkali. So the ionic equation of a neutralization reaction would be hydrogen ion plus hydroxyl ion to water. Disproportionation or dismutation reaction. It is a redox reaction in which one compound of intermediate oxidation state converts to two compounds, one of higher and one of lower oxidation states. Or you can say a reaction in which a substance is simultaneously oxidized and reduced, giving two different products. More generally, the term can be applied to any desymmetrizing reaction of the following type. Two A molecules will produce two different types of A. Dissociation of hydrogen peroxide is a disproportionation reaction. The oxygen atom in hydrogen peroxide is in -1 oxidation state. It is both oxidized to oxygen where oxidation state is 0 and reduced to water where oxidation state is -2. So after the reaction, oxidation state of oxygen changed to higher from -1 to 0 and also lower from -1 to -2. Precipitation reaction. A precipitate is a solid that forms out of solution. In precipitation reaction, two soluble salts are mixed, resulting an insoluble solid. Therefore, precipitate forms. The general form for this type of reaction is A plus soluble salt B forms a precipitate and a soluble salt C. For example, when aqueous silver nitrate reacts with aqueous potassium chloride, produces aqueous potassium nitrate and solid silver chloride. Therefore, silver chloride precipitate. Precipitation reaction is widely used to prepare insoluble salt. Based on change in oxidation state, there are two types of reaction: redox reaction and non-redox reaction. A redox reaction is any chemical reaction in which the oxidation number of a molecule, atom, or ion changes by gaining or losing an electron. For example, combination reaction, decomposition reaction, or displacement reaction are all redox reaction. Non-redox reactions are reactions where no change in oxidation state happens or no electron transfer occurs. Neutralization reaction, double displacement reaction, precipitation reaction are non-redox reactions. Based on heat change, there are two types of reaction: exothermic reactions and endothermic reactions. Exothermic reactions transfer energy to the surroundings. The energy is usually transferred as heat energy, causing the reaction mixture and its surroundings to become hotter. Some examples of exothermic reactions are combustion or burning, neutralization reactions between acids and alkalis, the reaction between water and calcium oxide. Endothermic reactions take in energy from the surroundings, causing the reaction mixture and its surroundings to become colder. Some examples of endothermic reactions are electrolysis, the reaction between ethanoic acid and sodium carbonate, the thermal decomposition of calcium carbonate in a blast furnace. Let's relate these contents with some past paper questions. See the first question. Which method of preparation of magnesium sulfate is an example of a redox reaction? If you look carefully, you will see all these are neutralization reactions except the first one. We know neutralization reactions are non-redox reactions. So the answer must be the first option. Let's see another example. Which equation represents a combustion reaction? Combustion reaction is when a hydrocarbon reacts with oxygen to make water, carbon dioxide, and heat. Only the third option fits this description. So this is our answer. Today's topic is not important for solving question. Rather, it will help you to understand other chemical reaction based concepts. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions regarding this topic, leave me a comment and I will try to answer. See you later. Take care.